Thank you bafethu. So one of the most exciting South African players lapha no Aubrey Modiba odlalela Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns renew contract yabo yabo batrige I-clause yabo option yokurenew contract renew ba make sure ukuthi umdlali uyahlala for the next season futhi iphele nale season ngathi uzohamba 2026 or 2027 lapho nje if I'm not mistaken, but ke ba make sure ukuthi ba renew contract yakhe. But question yami ile uModiba ushaya i-left back, udlala i-left back uMamelodi Sundowns, udlala kahle kakhulu, but in terms of defense contribute kakhulu, but going forward in terms of connect midfielder nama passes lapha phambili ukatheka kwakhe, but akekho good in terms of ukumaka. But going forward I think like is a new age, modern age, like traditional or left back ukuthi uzotracker phambili, but in terms of ukumaka akekho strong. But banolunga lapha, nolunga strong ukumaka, but ukuya phambili akekho strong. Manje bafuna uBasadeni, yabo, or uBasadeni odlalela lapha niStellenbosch. So if bazosigna uStellenbosch i-captain yakhona noma i-vice captain, because uStevens naye uBasadeni abanokubamba ibhande lapha nakuStellenbosch, if uzofika uBasadeni, Aubrey Modiba njengoba bamsayinisa i-contract entsha uzodlala na, uBasadeni uzodlala yena na, ulunga njengoba naye bayi-renew i-contract yakhe uzodlala na. And then khona uThiwane naye udlala i-left back, bake bamfaka lapha umfana kuzodlala abani, asithi bayamthola uBasadeni njengoba abantu bayamfuna ngempela, ufuna into ngemali serious, kuzophuma bani kudlale bani, or uModiba bazomchangeisa i-position, because naye uyi-very important part yeMamelodi Sundowns. Because if khona abadlali abangadlali kuMamelodi Sundowns, let's say uModiba, uBasadeni, la sikhuluma ngama-2 bafana international, yabo. So labadlali laba bobawu-2 bazolwela ischeme kuMamelodi Sundowns, kusho ukuthi oyi-1 bazomdropa lapha ukuthi angakwazi ukudlala, yabo. But ke so linda sibone ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns izodecide ani kulama player lawa enawo, if like you have a highly competitive squad esinje, and then umisa kanjani, because kumele bathole i-game time and then baye kuBafana internationally, kune-World Cup futhi ezayo next year, yabo. So izinto zizomiswa kanjani laphana eKlorkop if bayakwazi ukuwathola wonke lama player lawa abawafunayo. High question bafethu, but ke danko.